With the rapid development of the electric vehicle industry, talents with specialized battery maintenance skills have access to a wide range of employment opportunities. In response to the demand for vocational education, FUGUANG launched an integrated solution for new energy power battery testing and maintenance, empowering vocational schools in the construction of electric vehicle maintenance major. First, talent cultivation. FUGUANG blends theory with practice, combining teaching with a professional working environment by incorporating authentic corporate cases into the educational modules, developing core courses centered on electric vehicles, training comprehensive talents in the entire process of EV power battery maintenance, establishing an integrated teaching and practice training room to meet the demands of students' job-specific skills. Second, innovative specialized maintenance center. FUGUANG builds an integrated power battery intelligent repair service center encompassing battery teaching, research, training, and community service, covering all aspects of battery structure, testing, and intelligent maintenance, providing students with innovative facilities and technology. Third, social training. FUGUANG deepens the integration of industry and education, taking school-enterprise innovative cooperation as a platform to form a theory-practice combined teaching team, with a focus on service and employment orientation, guided by collaborative innovation, promoting vocational skills training and expanding the output of regional industrial talents, providing a solid guarantee for constructing EV majors in secondary and higher vocational schools, teacher capability, and teaching quality enhancement.